morning, this is Sridhar. Okay, today we talk about for structural design pattern. So structural, there are four classification of the structural design patterns. One is decorator design pattern. Second one is facade design pattern. Third one is bridge design pattern, and fourth one is adapter design pattern. So what do you mean by structural design pattern? It's going to be design the structure of what the pattern you have to build. You take either decorator, facade, bridge, adapter, whatever the pattern you have considered, but it tells about that structure of that all the design patterns. Decorator design pattern, what it look like. So a decorator design pattern, you can add as many as number of classes to a base class. Even though you can add or remove that any class, there is not affected on that not affected on that original structure. That is what decorator design pattern. And facade design pattern, it is nothing but one class. It has to be hide that internal details to that end user. That is tells to that facade design pattern. Third one is a bridge design pattern. Bridge design pattern, nothing but it decouples that implementation from its abstraction. That is what bridge design pattern. Adapter design pattern, it has to be converted from one form to that another form. The structure, one structure may be executed from that another structure. So that is adapter design pattern. Now from this four decorator, facade, bridge and adapter, from that four, one by one we'll learn about all the design patterns. The first one is decorator design pattern. In the decorator design pattern, it's a decorator design pattern. Normally, what do you mean by decorator design pattern? A decorator design pattern having you can take any abstract class or an interfaces that having multiple number of concrete classes are there. You can add as many as number of concrete classes. Among any one of the concrete class may be an abstract class. That abstract class will be the base class for that one. For example, that base class is for example, I need to develop a website. You need to create as many as web pages, and one abstract web page you need to create. You can for example, we'll see that example program for this decorator design pattern. Through Eclipse, first I need to create a project. What is the name of that project? I need to create a project. I need to create a project. I need to create Java project. I need to create a Java project. I need to create some web related information. Decorator pattern I need to create. For that purpose, I need to create a website. For example, I need to create an interface for that one. My website name is website creation. The name of the project name, and finish. So don't create anything. So it create website creation. Under the source, I need to create a package. The name of the package, same giving. Just I'm adding a name package. I need to add the package. Package has been added. For a decorator design pattern, first I need to create an interface. The name of the first interface I need to create. The name of that interface I created is a website. is the name of that interface I created as a public, so that public interface I need to create. For this interface I need to create a method called it as a void show is a method. I need to create an abstract method. I need to create a void show is an abstract method I need to create. So one interface, under that one interface I need to define 3 concrete classes. One concrete class is website 1 information, the first page of that website, second page of that website, and the third concrete class is nothing but basic base website information. First I need to create concrete classes of this interface. So first I need to create a concrete class. The name of that concrete class, I am giving that website 1. My intention is I am creating for that the first website. So website 1 I am creating. So website 1 I created, that is what it has to be implements from that website. Now it has to be override a method. What is the method? What method I define in that interface? Interface method public void. What is the name of that method? I have to use an interface. The name of the method is show. So I can write show method. So I need to override one just a printable statement system.out.println. I'm telling to that computer, this is my first web page. I'm telling you this is my first web page. I'm writing the code. Similarly, I'm creating another class, another concrete class. So another concrete class is website 2. Another concrete class is website 2. I'm creating, since it is also public, website 2. This is also implements through that website. Sorry, spelling mistake. IMPLE implements website. Here also I can override the method. What is the method I can override? Public void show method I can override. So just a one printable statement I can use. The printable statement system.out.println. The println I can use the println. This is what the statement in website 1. Simply copy that this is my second web page. This is my second web page. That's it. I created one interface, 2 concrete classes I created. Apart from that, one more concrete class I created. That concrete class is the type is abstract concrete class. I'm giving the name for this concrete class is base website. I'm giving this base website. I'm giving the name is base website. Just I finished this concrete class. Simple. This also implements from your website. This is also every time spelling mistake implements from this one. Now this class, what it has to be defined, it has to be require a variable. What type of that variable required? The interface type of that variable. What is the type of that website is interface variable, let it be w. I make this variable as, I can make it as a protected protected one variable I required. Using this variable I can navigate to all the methods which are defined in different concrete classes. And I need to override the method public void. I need to override the method. What is the method? Show method. So in this I can call this method w dot the show method. I can call the show method which I define in that concrete classes in that website 1 and website 2. Before that, what I have to do, I need to use one constructor, a public constructor. The public constructor base website is a public constructor, is a type of what type? It is a type of website w is a type, it has to be instantiated. So this is going to be differentiated using this keyword, this dot w equal to w. That's it. We created 3 classes under website interface. Now need to create one more class. I'm giving the name of the class. The name of the class is base web info, or let it be web info. It is normal class I need to create, but it is extends of your decorator class. What is a decorator class? What is the name of the decorator class here? Base website is decorator class. I need to extend that web info classes base info website. Now I'm using one method public void. I'm using a method public void. The show method I can use. What is in this? I can call w dot show method. I can call, and also I can use one more method. I call, let it be named as a set website. I can set that website. Set website method I can call. So just I'm passing the w, the same. Before that I should be use one constructor, that public constructor. I could use public constructor. What is web info public constructor? It should be website of w. Using the super keyword, I have using the super keyword. It tells to that it instantiated of super means this keyword tells that super, it is for this w is for that base website. It is what are that properties of that this class will be instantiated over here. Now I define the set website. I need to define here the set website, since I'm using in this within the class, so that the access specifier I going to use private access specifier. The name of private void, it returns nothing, so that void, it is set website. It is a set website of what the type of this one. The type of this one is a website. The type. Now you have to return system dot out dot println. You need to type it is you are adding something else. What you call it as some cascading style sheets. Like this. That's it. We define one more class, that web information. It is under the base website information. Okay. Now our job is completed. We define an interface. Under that interface, 3 classes I define: website 1, website 2, base website, and website information. It is defined under that base website. Excellent. Now we define the main class. I'm giving the name, it is main, since it is a public static void main. Finish, I can use the finish. Now I can use the finish. Simply what can I do thing? I can create an object of this one website of, for example, I create an object of that website w1 equal to new website, a new website. I can create an object of this one. For which one? The first concrete class. Website 1 is the first concrete class. Create where w1 is in a first object of that first concrete class. Also I'm creating one more object, that is web info is an object of the type it is a type of web info. It is a type of that web info. It has to be defined under what is the type of that, and it has to be instant, because that web info, it is having the constructor, right? That webo, it is a constructor. I need to tell that what is that one, that webo, what type of that constructor. It is a website. It is a website one. Now as we are having the two objectives for a particular one class, I'm writing a simple system.out.println. System.out.println. I want to prepare like some normal web before decoration. Before decorator, simply I can call normally w1 dot. I can call w1 dot. What is a method? It is a show method. It is a show method I can use, right? And I forgot to put a semicolon over here. Excellent. Still I did not use this object. This object to simple system.out. Some print line. Suppose what it tells to that after using decorator, let me remove one more star, so that after using decorator, you can write web info dot that show method. You can place that show method. I'm checking only that one public one concrete classes. You can check for that another concrete class. This is a web info. Yeah. Somewhere else it cannot to be instantiated. It is cannot to be instantiated for, you're instantiating for that one, right? So that one, this is okay. One class is instantiating. Fine. Is everything is okay. Now we'll execute our program. We'll run our Java application. What is showing? See, before decorator, what is the first web page? You are working on that first web page. After decorating, you are adding some cascading style sheets to this web page. Similarly, do for that second web page. So this is a decorator design pattern. Hope you can understand. Thank you for watching this video.